Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to create an old paper vintage effect cover art in Photoshop. So let's get started. At first I have to create a canvas for it, and I'm giving the background color I'm giving white. So this is our canvas, and now I want to place my subject. So select your place embedded, and I'm selecting this picture. Make it a little bit bigger. I think this is fine. And now I want to open the paper, and you will find all the link on the description. And I want to rotate it, and now increase the size, and press and hold Alt and drag it and make it bigger like this. I think it's fine. And now press and hold Ctrl and select on the texture layer thumbnail, and now you can see a selection here. And now select your subject and click on the mask and hide the texture layer, and look at this. Your subject is cut just like the texture, just like the paper. And deactivate this and go to the image and then adjustment and select the black and white. And here I am giving -28 or -25 for red, and then -42 for yellow. That's good, and I think it's okay. And now change the blending mode to screen, but it not so good. And now press Ctrl and I to invert, but still it's not so good. So now press Ctrl and L for levels and drag this point to the right, and look at the changes. I think this is fine. And also drag this point a little bit to the right. I think this is fine. So look at this. This was the before and this is after. It already looks great. And if you are happy with this dust, then no need to follow this step. But if you want to add more dust, just place another texture like this, and now change the blending mode to screen and press Ctrl and L and drag this a little bit to the right. I think this is fine. So let's see. Look at this. It adds more dust. That's fine. And now create a hue and saturation adjustment layer and enable the colorize option and drag the hue slider to the right. I think 50 is fine, and -8 for lightness and 25 for saturation. And opacity, I think 45 is good. Look at this. This was the before and this is after. So the basic thing is done. Look at this. This was the before and this is after. And now press Shift plus Ctrl plus Alt and E to merge all the layers into a single layer, and then go to image and then adjustment and select shadows and highlights and enable the show more option. I don't want to increase the shadows value, so bring it to 0 and increase the value of highlights. It's like this. Decrease the color a little bit. I think it's fine. Increase the radius a little. I think this is fine, and look at this before and after, and now press OK. So this is done, and let's see, this was the before and this is after. So it's a really easy tutorial. If you love this tutorial, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.